taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to.
All right, Bobby, on the pec deck. So what I want you to focus on, we're gonna be in a little bit higher seated position today, okay? So notice where my hands are. You know what I'm saying? Everything you pretty much see that's just standard coming in here, people's hands are way up here, okay? I want you in a lower position, and I also want you to think about, just like how we were doing over there with that pressing, that palm pressure, right? So I want you to think about whenever we actually do our pec fly, is that we're generating a lot of our palm pressure more towards the ring and pinky finger of our palm, okay? Not generated or gripping up top. So I want you to think about driving here, okay? Now, yeah, for sure, man. It's gonna be a real tight squeeze for that one. But also what I want you to think about too, a lot of guys do this. You'll see guys come in here and they'll start doing this shit here. Right here, okay? And they'll have this, bend in their arm. But understand something, our insertion point to our pec is not to our wrist, okay? So meaning, if my insertion point is here for my pec where I can feel that's this tenderness there, so that's pretty much where my insertion point is, right there, okay? And we've got this kind of locked position where I see a lot of guys doing right here. My insertion point's not to my wrist, you know what I'm saying? So I still have all of that range that I can contract that. Yeah, I can contract that pec. There's a lot more range of motion still left in there if we go and people start doing this shit. So this is retarded. I don't even know why guys do that shit. But what I want you to think about, so we're driving that back into that pad, okay? And we still have that good retraction, all right? So my chest is still up, everything's still nice and up, okay? And the same thing, it's just like a little rock, but I want you to think about not flying. I want you to think about a press fly, okay? So we're actually pressing, all right? We're pressing the load, and of course, the machine is designed to make us fly in, okay? So I want you thinking about pressing. Squeeze, come back, that head, you want to be kind of in this like neutral position, and as we drive, that head will come back a little bit, but keep that back planted. I don't want you to see you thrusting too far. I want that back planted nice, chest up, and we're squeezing in here. Back, squeeze, squeeze, chest up nice and tall, and squeeze. All right?
When you say pressing also, you mean basically pushing the bars like away.
So no, we're not going to be pushing away. So what I want you to think about doing, instead of just having this mindset of point A to point B kind of shit, okay? I want you to think about is if my hands were out here and we're just pressing. You see what I'm saying? If my hands were attached to a bar out here, like a bench press bar, I want you to think about pressing. So here, because my hand is in a neutral position, okay? It's not supinated or pronated, it's in a neutral position here. I want you to think about mechanics, we're up, and I'm pressing to that mirror. See what I'm saying? I'm not thinking about driving here to this point. I'm thinking about driving to the mirror, squeeze.
Just driving it away from me.
Yeah, exactly. Squeeze. Chest up, get that good stretch, squeeze. Chest up, squeeze through. Okay? All right, let's get it. There you go. So think about like a little rock. We come back, we're rocking, squeeze. Head will come slightly forward in the negative. Drive through, head will slightly come back. You don't want to be so stiff in the neck. So it's kind of just feel more natural, more open with it. Drive through, contract those pecs. There you go. It's almost, if you were to think about it, as we were coming through, we're turning the hands out, like an external rotation. Good. Okay, keep that chest up right now. That chest goes up, now squeeze through. Don't let that chest sink down as we come down. There we go. As we come down, chest comes up. There you go. Good. Ribs come up, squeeze through. There we go, come on. Squeeze, a little slower for me. That stretch, chest. There you go. Good, come back, chest up, squeeze through. Good, here we go, 5 more for me. Squeeze. Good. Come on. Press to me, don't fly, press to me. Good job, Bobby, excellent. Yep. All right, let's put some load on here.
That higher than I thought I would.
So what a lot of people don't understand, so rib cage positioning is everything with good pec engagement, okay? Everybody just thinks we go in here and we just lift shit and we just lay down. It's fucking stupid, man. If we can actually understand where rib cage mechanics should be in a chest exercise, it actually determine where we hit. What a lot of people don't really understand, if I was to go and just lay down on a flat bench and do a flat bench press, Olympic bench press, we're actually engaging a lot more of our upper pec than you really know. We're actually getting more of a higher and even almost up to an incline position on the flat bench. We actually really have to kind of get to a good negative, decline position further to actually get good, like I'd say that middle range, that mid-range, good pec engagement, all right? So proper rib cage positioning determines where that pec activation is going to happen. And that applies to every movement in here. It doesn't matter if it's a fly, whatever, press. Rib cage positioning is everything, and that goes for every other exercise. Wherever our rib cage is, wherever our retraction is, applies to where that angle of activation would happen. Good, head comes forward, chest up, good, perfect. Good, press to the mirror. There it is. Good, contract down for me. Don't just let the weight move down, okay? Contract through. Now contract that weight down. Stay on tension. Here we go. Drive through. Good, good, good. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, let's go. Chest up. Good, 3 more, Bobby. 3 more, don't rush it, don't rush it. More control, here we go. Push to the mirror, push to the mirror. Good. Here we go, drive to the mirror. Nice, last one. Here we go, drive to the mirror, go. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Down slow. Good. We got to think, if I was to lower this bench here, now look where the load is versus where we were just training a while ago. See, I'm so further out right here, okay? So I'm gonna do the exact same thing, okay? Get my good stretch, drive through. Good stretch, drive through. I still feel great pec contraction, all right? I'm still getting great tension with that, but me personally, I start to feel a lot more of my front delt, okay? So I'm trying to eliminate as much of that delt as we can. Now, unfortunately, when we train chest, a lot of the front delt is gonna get hit. It's just there's not really a lot of ways to move around it.
Yeah, I feel it at my delt too.
Yeah.
I'm so shoulder dominant.
Yep. Yep, drive up. Drop those shoulders down for me a little bit. Yep, yep. Here we go. There you go. Good. As we come down, we expand. There it is. That's it. Open up. Open the, yes, right there. Perfect. Good. Come on, squeeze through. Perfect. Here we go. Drive, 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 drive. Here we go. Stay on tension. Here we go. Don't just let this weight fall. Push to the mirror. Here we go. That's it. Good. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's it. Come on. We got a show to win. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Here we go. Drive. Let's go. Last one, Bobby. Last one. Most important one. Stay right there. Down slow. All the way. Chest up, chest up. Let it stretch, let it stretch. Right there. Perfect. Good set, man. Good set.